Hello everyone, I am Brian Robin Santiago and we are the Four Musketeers and welcome to part 8 of our Endless Runner game tutorial series. In this episode, we're going to help you create the increasing difficulty. So let's jump straight into Unity. Here in Unity, the first thing you have to do is to copy the obstacle and collisions that you made previously. Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. And then let's drag it to the side. Once you've finished copying and pasting, then rename it to your liking. Then you have to transform it like this. So let's delete it, and since we already have one, I've just simply edited the course and changed it up a bit. And every time you don't create a new course, you must add a new spawn trigger, because without it, the player will not be able to spawn and the previous level will not be removed. Once we play the game, as you can see, the game creates a new level whenever the player passes through. So always remember to add the spawn trigger points because without it, your game will not work. This script manages the spawning and removal of platforms in a game, dynamically adjusting the gameplay experience as the player progresses. It begins by defining an array for alternate platform prefabs a reference to the player, and the variables for tracking platform spawning and removal. The start method ensures that a set number of platforms are generated at the beginning. The update method monitors the player's progress, and once they pass 5 platforms, it switches to using an alternate set of platform prefabs to introduce variety. The spawn platform method handles platform generation by selecting a random prefab from either the initial or alternate set, placing it at the appropriate position, and updating the next spawn z variable to determine where the next platform should appear. Additionally, it increments the platform pass counter to track progression. The remove old platform method prevents excessive platform accumulation by removing the oldest platform once the number of active platforms exceeds the initial starting amount. This ensures a smooth, continuous level generation while optimizing performance by managing memory efficiently. After that, go to the level manager. As you can see, we have here the alternate platform prefabs. You can just simply drag and drop the new obstacle course that you have created in the level manager script. You can keep adding and adding as much as you want, and after the player passes through 5 times, it will generate a random level for you. And that wraps up our part 8. In the next part, we'll focus on exporting the game to Android. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out the next part of the series. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.